Okay, after we've put in the table, have Desmos come up with the linear regression, exponential regression, and we've typed it in to our Google spreadsheet, another question that can be asked, what's the graph look like? Well, right now you don't see any graph. Well, why is that? Well, if you look at our Y values, they start at 2,500 and go to 95,000. What's our largest Y value here? It's only like about 6 or 7 or somewhere close to that. Not nearly high enough. Also, the X's go from 0 to 40. This only goes from 0 to 10, so it's way up here on our graph, and we want to shrink that. So I'm going to hit the wrench there. I'm going to do the X-axis, and I got to think about this. I got to say, well, what's reasonable? It starts at 0. I like to start below 0. So since it's counting by tens, I'm going to start at negative 10. And I'm going to go to, what was that, go up to 40? So I'm going to go to 50. Give myself a little breathing room on both sides. As far as the Y, now I'm going to go to the Y. I like the Y. What's the smallest Y? Well, it's 2,500, but I actually want to see if it goes down to 0, so I'm going to put 0. And what's the highest number? Highest number is 95,000. So I'm going to go slightly higher than that. I'm going to go to 100,000. And you can see it just appeared in our view. This is rising in cost. Okay, so this is an increasing function. It's trying to fit the dots as best as possible. See the dots from our scatter plot. Now notice I could drag this around. Once I can see it, drag it around. Take a snapshot of this, right, and insert it into Google Docs, and you'll be good to go. And that's that.